Hey Rebecca, I'm gonna have to be away from my computer, so I wanted to record this. We can still talk, but I just wanted to show what I have so far. Um, I wasn't able to get all the features done, but linking the ad bonus and the slot reel took quite a bit of time and lots of debugging. So just to show that everything is working as expected, you got plus 14. Slot reel works as expected. Hitting this multiple times doesn't make it spin anymore. Perfect. Got your win. Shows how much is going to be multiplied by. So you watch the ad for that bonus. Once you watch it, it multiplies it, adds it, and then you can't do it again. So which is pretty much functioning as expected. So everything right now is functioning as intended. The 4 features that I need to add that are critical are the store, the art asset for the background, character animation, and sound, and polish and debugging. So those are the things that I need to do. I probably could get the store done by Monday, and possibly character animation done by Tuesday. So if you want, I can get those in and turn that in for this month. If not, we can push it and adjust it for next month. So that's something that we can talk about when we get on the phone today at 9. Okay? Thank you. Later.